yes nga ron ang silang. Ready? Leran yung leran. Yung leran. Okay, kapapahangin ng leran. Kaya kapag yung malaing inaay ka na ka-love clap, bangin sa panher siya nang baintit bangin na kalyang yung irap na yung sumuro ko crown na banta ka na kajing na o sanyang yung na banta ka jing la yung ibang paniyaya ka na ka-event. So now I'll count 1, 2, 1, 2, then we'll give them a love clap. Are you ready? Okay, so let's start. 1, 2, 1, 2, mwah. One more time. Empat lang. Stay still. 1, 2, 1, 2, mwah. Bang sawa ka sir dyan nga. Stay still. Kapil sawa na api nga nga misap na. 1, 2, 1, 2, mwah. Ito. Ngida nang naya isar dyan eh. Ibala kloy ban pulit isar sigas dyan eh mentakas ni. Ibala kloy ban pulit kapor na benta dyan eh. Tanga khodi isar bayi subahapan wan hanes. So this may request you to kindly stand here. We give sir a love clap, a rain clap. Rain is about to come, so we'll give him a rain clap. So abang hara ekti silang gawai pititang silang. Dangara putit ar, dangara lai tit lai, sao tit sao, san tit san. Nabantay sir. Are you ready? So rain clap ready. 1, 1 tit tit tangway, tangway tit hati jumpi. 2, 3, continue 4, continue 5. Kublaish Bon, thank you sir. Now the time has come to finally announce the winners. We are very grateful to the 3 judges who are ready to spend their time with us. So may I now request the 3 judges to introduce themselves. As I call your name, you kindly stand up from. And now the moment we have all been waiting for, after much observation and consideration by our judges, it's time to finally reveal the champions of today's events, both March Pass and March Drill. With the second runners-up of the March Pass, the first runners-up, sorry, of the second runners-up, sorry, of the March Pass, Balang Balay, ma. The second runners-up of the March Pass 2025, organized by Mawar Snai Police Outpost, goes to St. Thomas Secondary School, Yerbang. Hamjam, nakapadi ay Captain by Pinsabahabanuan. I request sir to hand over the second runners-up. So now I request the chief guest not to hand over. We'll call all the 3 schools. Then after we call, then you will hand over to them. Now the first runners-up of the March Pass competition 2025, organized by Mawar Snai Police Outpost, goes to St. Teresa Secondary School, Terso. And now, the winners of the March Pass Parade, organized by Mawar Snai Police Outpost 2025, goes to, please say loud. Who do you want to win? Goes to those who have not got the first and the third and second prize. Do you want to win? Do you want to win the first prize? Okay, so let me announce. The first prize for the March Pass competition 2025, organized by Mawar Snai Police Outpost, goes to Mangatiang Memorial Secondary School, Ompon. So now I request all the captains to step forward and take your trophy from our chief guests. So I request Sir Mukim and Sir Joblin to hand over the trophy to all these winners. So now Sir Chief Guest will give to Mangatiang Secondary School Sir Chief Guest will hand over the prize to Mangkatiang Secondary School. Sir Mukim will hand over the prize to Saint Thomas Secondary School Lerbang, and Sir Joplin will hand over the prize to Saint Teresa Secondary School Terso. Sir Mukim will hand over the prize to Saint Teresa Secondary School Terso. Saint Teresa, please take your prize. Please clap your hands for Saint Teresa. Sorry, Saint Teresa is in the second place, okay? So Saint Teresa, second place. Third place is Saint Thomas. Huh? Third place we call Saint Thomas Secondary School. Saint Thomas Secondary School, Lierbang, to kindly take your trophy from Sir Joplin. There was a mistake in the announcement. Second goes to Saint Teresa, okay? And third goes to Saint Thomas. Okay, so Saint Thomas, take your. And now the winners of the 2025 March Pass competition, I request Sir Chief Guest to hand over the trophy to Mangkatiang Macdo Memorial Secondary School.